Hello, LW222 students. I wanted you to make you aware of an app that goes along with our Diet and Wellness Plus that we have been using in our e-learning course site. So you have been working on your personal diet analysis, and so you have created a profile for yourself in that MindTap Diet and Wellness Plus icon. So you can actually download this app on your phone, and this is what it looks like. So when you go to search for apps, you'll see this little black box with the plus in the middle. That's your Diet and Wellness Plus mobile app. And you can actually download it onto your phone, your smartphone, and as long as you've already created your account in our e-learning course site, everything that you've created for your profile for yourself should transfer right over into your app. But when you open the app, you do have to accept the service agreement, obviously. So the first time you open it on your phone, you'll have to accept that. But as far as I know, if you've created your profile in the course site, it should transfer over. If not, you will just need to create another profile for yourself in your app. But then once you've done that, it's really neat because you can obviously when you sign in every time you'll have to just create a username and a password, but you can actually track your diet. So if you go to your dashboard, which it looks just like this, you can click on things like track diet, and when you click on that link to track the diet, you can do a few different things. Just like you do on the computer, you search for the foods and you type them in manually, you can do it that way. But on the very bottom of the screen, once you click on Click Diet, there will be a little plus sign down here. So you just click on that plus sign, and it opens up a page where, like I said, you can either type in the words as far as the foods go, but you can also choose to scan a barcode. So if you have, a food label at home, or, a food label in the grocery store, and you're trying to find out some information, you would just scan that barcode, and all the nutritive data of that food will pop up, and then you can choose how much of it you had, serving wise. And that will just continue to enter your foods right into right into that particular day. So for those of you that want to continue to log your foods and kind of track your progress that way, you could keep using this tool for the rest of the semester for as long as you have access to this Cengage MindTap account. In addition to that, you can track your activity too. So just like you can on your computer when you do, it's not something I made you do for the class, but for those of you that also want to incorporate your exercise so it tracks your physical activity and the calories that you're burning from exercise, that can help you to determine if you're in that positive or negative energy balance. And then you can also track change, so if you click on track change, it's going to ask you different habits, like maybe I'm managing my stress better. So stress is a one that you can click on, and you can determine what kind of change has happened as far as stress, or maybe it's your physical activity status has changed drastically, over the last few weeks. Maybe you have quit smoking. You can always change those things. So that's where you would track the change. So there's quite a bit of things you can do on there, and I just wanted you to be aware of that extra tool that, the app is free and you're paying for this MindTap access. So why not take advantage of this free app and this software that you can actually continue to track and have it right on your phone. And that way, if you have a barcode and you're out and about, you can just enter it in on the run. Just to keep track of your progress as far as your dietary pattern goes. So I just wanted to make you all aware of that.